Hi guys, so did you know that you can turn this into this? Did you know? So on today's episode, I'll be showing you how to turn a raw sweet potato into flour, okay? Into sweet potato flour with no special equipment. I know online I've seen people making such things with dehydrators, others use their ovens, but guys, on today's episode we won't be using either of that. I'll be using something that I'm sure that you already have. So buckle up and let's go to Rwanda, guys. Let's go. So here we have our sweet potato. Okay, I'm just going to cut it into into a is this a half or a quarter? Yeah, and then we peel. Okay, this one is a must, guys. It's a must for us to peel, though the peeling bit of it is, hey guys, it's strenuous. So I'm to be honest, I don't enjoy this, but regardless, move. Okay, it's like maybe it's harder than peeling a potato, so oh my gosh, we're almost done. Whoop. Just like that, we are done. See? So let's work on this. This is the after. I'm going to wash this. Our sweet potato is perfectly washed. Okay. Then just take a grater and then we grate this. Grating is better than even chopping, so ensure that you grate. And grating it is so fun. It's not a tedious job. So guys, we've already grated. It has not taken me a long time, but my hand feels a little bit uncomfortable, but it's not that much. Okay, so here are all the peels. Okay, so I'm just going to let them be like that. I don't have a lot of containers so that I can make one later. Whether it takes more time, it's okay. You see, that is what I've done. Then I'm going to take it outside. So here are our sweet potato grates, okay, and I'm just going to place them here. Yeah, so we are currently on day 1. So today is day 2 of our sweet potato grated, the grated sweet potato, right? So this is how it looks like. Okay, this is my first time checking it. Okay, this is how, that is how the weather looks like. Yeah, and we're on day 2, but the weather was really sunny, but right now the weather is like, it even looks like there's some little bit of drizzles. I don't know whether you can see that. So we are going to observe something together. Okay, yeah. So can you see something, guys? Let me just flip the camera. So this is it. Okay, you see the top peels, they look like they are dry. That is why you have to turn, okay, because the lower part is it's very wet. Okay, so let's meet on day 2. So guys, today we are on day 2 with the sweet potatoes. This is where I put them on top of this tank, and today we have a lot of sunlight. Okay, by the way, I discovered that, you know, from this I've observed that sweet potatoes really lose water fast. So this is day 2. Look at that. Okay, let me flip the camera so that you guys can see something. Oh, imagine you're just on day 2. Look at what I'm seeing. But mind you, for the 2 days the sunlight has been so much, and plus this is the end of day 2. So look at that. You see, looks so good, right? Yeah. So let's meet on day 3. So guys, today we are on day 3. Consistency. Look at that. Look at that. Our sweet potatoes have really reduced in size. Okay. Yeah. So I need to show you something that I've just seen. Oh my gosh. Can you hear the crunch? I love that. I love that. Oh, thank you so much for that. So this is day 3, and the weather was very, very sunny. Okay, look at that. I think our sweet potatoes are already like ready. It can already become flour. The crunch is really amusing me. Need to show you something. Perfect. So guys, this is what we have. Look at that. And it's just sun drying. No need to even have an oven or a dehydrator. Imagine. Look at that. And by the way, this flour, it looks like it's very, very fine. Look at that. It's very fine. Look at that. You see? What's making you not make this, guys? What is preventing you from having your gluten-free sweet potato flour? Imagine this was just one sweet potato, and plus we have some remaining over there. So I'll definitely show you everything we get from one sweet potato. So this is our second batch. Imagine. Guys, this time around I'm so happy because it doesn't even have any burnt pieces. You know, this you cannot even compare this to making your own flour from the oven. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. God bless you and see you on the next travel. Bye.